Greeting to all of you. Sometimes you feel like you hate yourself for who you are or for what you don't have. You hate yourself so much that you would like to trade places with someone else. In fact, you would like to completely erase yourself and become that other person. You would like to be elevated to their social status, be as rich as they are, or you would like to follow in their footsteps. Clearly, you are a good, loving, compassionate person. But since you hang out with people who have hatred in their hearts all the time, you're starting to act just like them. You used to be a sincere, authentic, and genuine person, but you have become superficial. What happened to you? You were a reliable and sacrificial parent and friend, but lately you have become careless and irresponsible. You are not who you used to be anymore. I am here to tell you to know yourself and to be yourself. I know you don't feel like being yourself, but there is no turning back. You are who you are for a reason. No matter what you try, you will still be the person you are today. I believe that you will still be, let's say, the John, the Joseph, the Andrew, the Mary which you are. So you see, you have to stick to the path that you have before you. Each one of us has a specific path to follow. In other words, we have our own destination. So the most important thing is to know where you want to go exactly by yourself and not where you are forced to go. So I am here to remind you that the family you were born in is the right fit for you because that's what it was supposed to be. So listen up. It's time that you remind yourself that you are unique, different from any other person. There's only one you in the world. Your path may be long and filled with all kinds of difficulties, but it is yours to follow. It may also be short, but it leads to where exactly you are destined to go. It is unwise to want to become another person. It is unwise to want to live a life that is unfit for us. It is unwise to want to take the road that is less traveled. It's time for you to know that you are who you are and to act accordingly. It's time for you to be your true self, not a copycat to someone else. So today is the time to show your family members and your friends and to convince yourself that you accept yourself for who you are. Can you try to be yourself, please? I know it's for your own sake. Thank you. Think about that. I cannot thank you enough for subscribing and sharing. So find me every Saturday at 6 p.m. On this channel to find a little encouragement, really, that I think it will help you. Thank you very, very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.